Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful reversible only 2 rows repeating blanket pattern. This stitch name is Chinese puzzle stitch. I want to make a blanket with that. Next video I will make a border on it. I looking around for beautiful suitable border with this pattern. I hope I will find and I will share you next video. It's only 2 rows repeating, doing same thing every row actually. So simple. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your watching and for your kind comments. If you're ready, we can start the crochet. Are so simple, beautiful, only 2 rows repeating 3D Chinese puzzle stitch blanket pattern. Let's start crochet. I use my blanket Kitty Baby Madame Tricot Paris. This is multicolor yarn, you know, and this is fine group. Size category yarn is 2, and they recommend us using for crochet 4mm hook. You can wash it in 30 degrees, not tumble dryer. You can ironing low degrees. Okay, and this color is 379. One ball is 100 grams and it's 3.5 ounces, 328 yards and 300 meters, 100% of acrylic. They recommend us using 4mm hook, but I want to it so softy, so I will use 4.5mm hook on my pattern. For this pattern we need multiples of 7 plus 4. Okay, if I will find my yarn, we can start. Okay, I will find it. I believe it. We will start our pattern with slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is my repeating chains. If you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeter, 1 meter or 1 meter 10 centimeter. Okay, but I want to make a sample, so you will make your chains that length, but I want to make a sample, so I will make 70 chains for my sample plus 4, so 74. You can adapt it which you want to make your which project. Okay, I will complete my chains and turn to you. I made my 70 chains. You will make your chains which project you want. If you want baby blanket, minimum 90 centimeter. Maybe you want to make a throw, it needs 130 centimeter minimum. Okay, you will make your chains, but be careful, it needs to be multiples of 7. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains added. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one and make here 2 double crochet. I have 3 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, then yarn over and insert into the next loop. I insert my hook. Actually we will start, I will show you like that. Okay, it will be more clear. We can do that. I will turn my chains like that, then yarn over, skip here. You can see here back loops, 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one like that, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, make 1 more here. Okay, like that. we will use these back loops. Then yarn over, insert the next loop, grab my yarn, pull through 2, not complete my double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next one, pull through 2. I have 2, 4 and 6 loops. I repeat it 5 times. We repeat that not complete double crochet 5 times. Like a cluster, I have 6 loops on my hook. Then pull through all together and locked with chain 1. Yarn over, skip 1 stitch, insert into the next one like that, and make here 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over, insert into the next stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next one, grab your yarn, pull through 2. You will repeat it 5 times. Insert into the next one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next one, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next one, here, pull through 2. I repeat it 5 times. I have 6 loops. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Then yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next one, and make this stitch 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over and make here using 5 stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make half not completed double crochet, complete 5 of them together, then skip 1 and make 5 double crochet next stitch. I will come to end and turn to you. I complete the first row, I come to end, look at that, I crochet 5 stitch together, then yarn over, skip 1, left here 2 stitch, you can see that, skip 1, next one I will make 2 double, the last stitch I will make 1 double. You remember we start with here chain 3, on the 4th one we made 2 double crochet, so we finish as the same way. Now we are start the repeating rows. Chain 2 and turn your work. Then yarn over. I have here 2 double crochet. I insert the first one as front post like that. Grab my yarn, pull through 2, not complete my front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Locked with chain 1. Then you see here this, we crochet this 5 stitch together. Yarn over, I insert that here little hole, the center of this stitch here, and make here 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I see here we make here 5 double crochet in 1 stitch. Previous row we decrease here, now increase. Previous row we increase this stitch 1 to 5, so we need to decrease that 5 to 1. So yarn over, but we will make it as front post. Insert into the first one as front post, pull through to. Yarn over, second one as front post, pull through to, not complete. Yarn over on the third one as front post, pull through to. Yarn over on the fourth one, grab your yarn, pull through to. Yarn over on the fifth one, pull through to. I have 6 loops, pull through all together and chain 1. Yarn over, come to next. Here we decrease 5 to 1. Now we need to increase it. I insert that center, grab my yarn and make here 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, previous row we increase, now we will decrease. You will always make which you did previous row, you will make opposite thing. Okay. Now as front post, increase, insert the first one, pull through to 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, 4 and 5. 6 loops, pull through all together, locked with chain 1. I will repeat it until come to the end. I complete and turn to you. I come to end, previous row decrease, now increase. You can see here we have 3 double crochets, but we did here 2 not complete front post double crochet and half double crochet. So yarn over, insert the first one, pull through to. Yarn over, insert the second one, pull through to. As front post I have 3 loops, pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Yarn over, insert the last stitch, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, pull through all together and complete the second row. You will always on this pattern repeat the second and the third row. Now again 1 and 2 chain and turn, count as your first stitch. Look at that, so beautiful. Then yarn over. You see here we decrease this 2 to 1, so we increase it 1 to 2. Here we have a stitch, make here 2 double crochet, always the same. Now we have here 5 stitches. Now we will decrease it 5 to 1, not completed front post double crochets. Insert the first one as front post, pull through to. Yarn over, insert the second one, pull through to. Yarn over, insert the third one, pull through to. Yarn over, insert the fourth one, pull through to. Yarn over, insert the fifth one, pull through to. I have 6 loops, pull through all together, locked with chain 1. Yarn over, find this decreasing stitch center here and increase it with 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will decrease it, yarn over as front post, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull through all together, chain 1. Find the center here and make 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You will repeat as same as I come to end and turn to you. I will show you you will repeat the second row. I complete and turn to you. I come to end. You can see that. You can see here decreasing 2 to 1, which we did. We make this stitch 2 double crochet. I find the center here, make here 2 double, usual double crochet, yarn over, insert the last stitch, complete with half double crochet. That's it. Now repeat the second row again. Chain 2, count as your first half double, then turn your work. We have here 2 double, so we will decrease it 1 as front post, pull through 2, yarn over, insert as front post, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, locked with chain 1. I see here decreasing. I need to increase. Insert the center of that and make here 5 double, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I see here increasing. I need to decrease it. As front post, pull through 2, yarn over, next one, 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 pull through 2. I have 6 loops, pull through all together, locked with chain 1. You will always repeat these 2 rows. It's so simple. I complete my sample after turn 2. I complete my blanket. Next video I will make a border on it. Look at that. It's gorgeous and it's reversible. 3D and so simple. Actually, one row repeat. You will always do same thing. Only make the opposite things which you did previous row. It's so simple. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.